Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Triumph app review. Curious if you can actually earn money with Triumph app? Let's break it down. Triumph is a skill-based mobile gaming platform where users complete and fast-paced games like Brick Breaker for real cash. You can enter 1v1 matches, blitz tournaments, and tiered leagues. The app is free to download, but real money games require entry fees. Winning earns you can cash that can be withdrawn via PayPal or Venmo, sometimes the same day if your ID is verified. While there is a 10% instant withdrawal fee, there is also a free 3-day option. Triumph offers a $2.50 referral bonus per sign-up and has responsive customer support. Many user reports consistent small wins and legit payouts. However, the platform carries gambling-like risks since you pay to play. The house takes a cut and losses are common. Some users have raised concerns about match fairness and increasing difficulty at higher ranks. In short, Triumph can be fun, skill-based app for side earnings, but treat it as a casual gaming with modest rewards, not a dependable income source. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.